this is Sakura Yubi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious ice cream using tofu, yogurt, and Shio Koji. Tofu is low in calories and carbs, and yogurt and Shio Koji are both fermented foods, so they are good for your gut. This can be a nice little treat when you are on a diet. So let's get started. Open up a sealable plastic bag and secure it in a little glass or container so it will be easy for us to add the ingredients inside the bag. To this, add some tofu. I like to use smooth tofu or what we call kinu dofu for this recipe, but you can use firm tofu as well. Next, add sugar. I like to use this zero-calorie sugar made from monk fruit. Then add Shio Koji, lemon juice, and yogurt. Then seal the bag and mix everything together. If you have an ice cream maker, go ahead and use that to freeze this mixture. But if you're like me and don't have an ice cream maker, don't worry, I'll show you how to make it into ice cream without the machine. First, flatten out the bag and place it into the freezer and let it sit there for 3 hours or longer until the mixture becomes frozen. Okay, the mixture is frozen. Take out the bag from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes until the mixture becomes a little softer. Okay, about 20 minutes have passed. Let's knead the frozen mixture and make it really soft. I suggest you wear gloves so that you don't freeze your hands. Once the mixture becomes really soft, gather it to the bottom of the bag. Then open up the bag and scoop up the ice cream. You see it's really soft and like 30% melted. That's the best time to eat this ice cream. So let's go ahead and eat. Look how creamy this is. And yes, it was amazing. It was rich, creamy, and delicious. And did I taste tofu? No. I just tasted wonderful flavors that I can't really describe in words. So give this a try and let me know how it went. I'd love to hear from you. And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!